Welcome back, children. We are still on ratio what problem. Now we have an example on the board. A boy and his sister share a sum of money in the ratio 5:4. A. What fraction of the total amount of money is I, the boy's share, IR, his sister's share, and B. If the sum of money to be shared is 4 naira 5 kobo, how much will each get? How much will each get? Solution. Now for the first part, they said the boys share, isn't it? Now we have 5:4. What do? We'll say 5 plus 4. And 5 plus 4 is equal to what? 9. Now to look for the boys' share, we know that the first one is the what? Boy, because boy is coming first. So the fraction, they said, what fraction? So the fraction of the boy is what? Of the boy's share is what? 5/9. Is that understood? Very good. Now for the II, they said the fraction of the girl's share. And the fraction of the girl's share is 4/9. Hope you understood. Because 5 is coming first for boy and sister is taking 4. Now for the B, the question that we are asked, we said if the sum of money to be shared is what? 4 naira and then 5 kobo. Now we are going to convert. If we want to convert this 4 naira to kobo, it becomes what? 405 kobo. Hope you know how to convert. 1 naira is equal to how many kobo? 100 kobo. So you now have what? 4 naira 5 kobo. So this becomes what? That's how we got that word, 405 kobo. Is that understood? Very good. Now what do? Because we have the share of the boy to be what? 5/9. So what do? We say 5/9 times what? 405 kobo over 1. Is that clear? Very good. Now we have to what? Divide. Now 9 here is how many times? 1 times, isn't it? Very good. Now how many times will 9 go into 40? Can 9 go into 40? Yes, but there will be a remainder. And 9 into 40 is 4 times. Remainder what? 4. Now bring the 4 here. This becomes what? 45. 9 into 45 will give us 5. So we have what? 45 times 45. And 5 times 45 is equal to what? 5 times 45 is equal to 225 kobo. So we have 225 kobo. Now we cannot convert this kobo to naira. It will be what? 2 naira and what? 25 kobo. Is that clear? Now for the B aspect, because they asked us how much we each get. Now this first one is for the boy. Now we are going to look for that of the girl. So we use the same one because the girl's ratio is what? 4/9 times what? 405. Is that clear? Over 1. So this time around, how many times? 1. How many times? Same 45. Now let's multiply. 4 times 45. Now 4 times 45 will give us what? 180. And what will it give us? 180. Is that understood? Very good. Now if we change this 180 kobo to naira, it becomes what? 1 naira 80 kobo. So this is for who? The girl. So the girl share is equal to this. Now if you want to check if your answer is correct, you add these two together. Okay, now let's add together. 2.25 plus 1.80. Now 5 plus 0 is what? 5. 2 plus 8 is what? 10. You put down 0 and you carry what? 1. Now when you bring this 1 to this place, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, plus this one is equals to what? 4. So have you seen it now? Does that take us back to the question? Very good. That is to show that your answer is correct. Now for your class work. For your homework, you are going to be doing this number 1. Nnamdi and Wonsu share a certain number of stamps in the ratio 5:8. What fraction for the A of Wonsu share is Nnamdi's share? For B, if Wonsu has 368 stamps, how many stamps does Nnamdi have? Alright, see you.